Hi everyone, I'm Salva, one of the developers of the EDDL library, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install it from the source code. Okay, so let's start. First we have to go to the EDDL repo, you will find the link in the description. Then you click on the release section and download the release that you want. Decompress the file, open a terminal in that location. Now we're going to type conda mkdir-f environment.yml so that we can create a new environment with all the dependencies that the EDDL needs. Once the environment is created, we have to activate it by typing conda activate EDDL. Now we do mkdir build cd build in order to create and go to that directory, and now we do cmake in order to create the make files needed for compilation. Wait a little bit for cmake to finish, and please check the output to make sure that everything can be built properly. Now type make install in order to compile and install the library in your system. Note that the J flag is used in order to speed up the compilation by using end threads. That's it. Now the EDDL is installed in our system. Next, we're going to make a simple example so that we can check that everything has been installed successfully. Here again, we're going to create a new project using Visual Studio Code, but you can use whatever code editor you prefer. Let's create a new folder, name my test, and we're going to open it using Visual Studio. Drag and drop, and that's all. Let's create a new file named cmake+list.txt to define the building process. cmake minimum required version 3.15, project my test, set the C++ standard to 11, find package EDDL, add executable my app main.cpp, and we're going to target the EDDL library to that executable. After that, we're going to create a new file named main.cpp, and in this file we're going to write include EOStream so that we can print things to the screen. Now include EDDL/tensor/tensor.edge so that we can use the tensor class of the EDDL, and inside the main function we're going to create a tensor pointer pointed to a tensor of ones with dimension 5 by 5, and then we'll print the sum of that tensor. Now open a terminal, create a new directory named build, go to a directory, and type cmake in order to create the make files. Type make to compile our file. Now run it and check if the result of our tensor is correct. And 25. There you go. So I hope you like this video and see you on the next.